Hey, what's up, Hunter Nation? Hunter Tom here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm at KalibrGun at Shotshow 2020, and we've got the new AirGus? AirGus, awesome. So it's got a wood stock, a 13-round magazine, it's a regulated air rifle, it has Picatinny rails on it, and 300 bar fill capacity, and around 200 ACC in total that you can fill up inside of it. And it's available in 22, and it will be available in 25 and 30 caliber, right? 30 caliber? Yeah, okay. And yeah, really a fancy, like, nice air gun. It'll run about 1,000 euros, so I don't know what that turns out into US, but not sure if it'll be imported into Canada because of the baffling, but still really, really nice gun. It's got a adjustable trigger, yeah. Safety on the side.
In front.
Yeah. And really just a really all-around good hunting gun. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.